is we are going to create a splash screen, the clone of SoundCloud SplashScreen. We are going to make an exact copy of how SoundCloud's splash screen looks like. For this, we are going to return a container here. I already did. And we are going to give it a decoration. And in decoration, we are going to give it a box decoration. I've already added a logo of SoundCloud here. You can see that. And what we want is a gradient color. Basically, the SoundCloud splash screen is somewhere around orange and white. So we are going to give it linear gradient. And in linear gradient, we can say it will begin at from the alignment dot top left. You can give it top right as well. Let me show you the difference after we reload this. So let me check. So and we want to give it colors, and in colors let's give it colors dot orange and give it, let's say, 500, and again give it colors dot orange, and let's say we can give it around 800. We want both colors so the opacity will be low. And after box decoration, we are going to create a child and return a scaffold here. Scaffold. Then in scaffold, we are going to give it a background color. Let's say background color of colors dot transparent, and let's give it a body and a center. Create a center widget, and in center widget, let's create a child column. In column, let's give it children, and add a sized box to add an image, and give it a height of, let's say, 350, and let's say give it a width of around 50. And after size box, we want an image to appear. I had already added the SoundCloud logo here. We want to give it assets slash SoundCloud SoundCloud 512.png, and we want to give it a property. Let's say I want to give it a fit box fit dot contain, and I also want to give it a width because the logo size is a bit bigger. Let's say width of around 120, and now we want to run the application and let's see how it performs. Let's wait for it. Now you can see that the SoundCloud logo is the SoundCloud color background page is completed. Now the logo isn't appearing, but it's saying, okay, the file isn't found. It's a typo. Let's reload it again. Now the logo is appeared here. You can see that. One thing is missing is the circular progress indicator, and in Flutter we give it like circular progress indicator dot adaptive, and we can give it property of background color of white, colors dot white, and let's reload it. Yeah, you can see that the whole SoundCloud page is completed. For more videos, you can follow me and subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you have any kind of questions, you can ask me in the comments below. Thank you so much.